Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is lesson 110, Start Problems. If you're looking for the practice set, that's probably the video before this one. Let's go ahead and get started. So Hector has a coupon for 10% off the price of any item in the store. He decides to buy a shirt that is regularly priced at $24 that is on sale for 25% off. If he uses his coupon, how much will Hector pay for the shirt before sales tax is applied? Because we don't know what sales tax is. So this is going to require two ratio boxes. So we have original, change, new, percent, actual. Start with 100. Let's see, regularly priced at $24. He has a coupon for 10%, but this is on sale for 25. So let's go ahead and take the 25 off first. So that's 75, and we'll see how much we get here. So this is going to be 100 over 75 is equal to 24 over x. 100x is equal to 75 times 24, which I will not be doing in my head. Let's see, 75 times 24, 1800. 1800, so it turned out not so bad, divided by 100. X is equal to 18. Now, we get to do it again because he has that 10% off coupon, okay? This is 18. Change is 10. New is 90. So we have 100 over 90 equals 18 over x is equal to 90 times 18. Okay, 90 times 18 is 6 and 20. Divided by 100, divided by 100. So he's going to purchase that shirt for $16.20. Let me make sure that's correct. Awesome. It is right, by the way. BT dubs. Okay, oh, gross. A semicircle was cut out of a square. What is the perimeter of the resulting figure? So use this. So I know that this, the diameter is equal to 7. So the radius is equal to 7 divided by 2, which is 3.5. So I'm trying to find the perimeter of this. So if I were going to do the circumference of that circle, that'd be 2 times 20. Oh, goodness. Times 22 over 7 times 7 over 2. So that's 22, but I have to take half of it, right? Because this is just half of a circle, so that's 11. So that's 7, that's 7, that's 7. The perimeter is going to be 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 11, which is 21 plus 11, which is 32. Okay. 6 more. I'm adding 6 to something. The square of what negative number, so x squared, is 150. So let me subtract 6 first. And I get, that's not even happening right now. 44? 144. I get 144. So then I have to square root this. I get x is equal to 12. Okay, I need to change colors because that red makes me think everything is wrong. The car model was built on a 1 to 36 scale. If the length of the car is 180 inches, how long is the model? So let's go ahead and ratio box this. Okay, so this is ratio, actual, this is model, and this is real life. So 1 inch on the model is 36 inches in real life. In real life, it's 180 inches long. How long is the model? So then we have 1 over 36 is equal to x over 180. We cross multiply and divide and get a number Like, let's see, 180 divided by 36. 5. Lovely. The positive square root of 80 is between which two consecutive whole numbers? Well, let's see. So 7 squared is 49. 8 squared is 64. 9 squared is 81. So the square root of 80 is going to be between 8 and 9. And we can here somewhere. Make a table for ordered pairs. Y is equal to negative x plus 1, x, and then what's the slope of it? Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's see, let's plug in 0, 1, and negative 1. So when I plug 0 into here, I get 1. When I plug 1 into here, I get 0. When I plug in negative 1, I get 2. So 0, 1. 1, 0, negative 1, 2. What have I done? Wait, this? Yeah, that makes a line. Stop. I'm trying to make a line. Okay. So then let's do, this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is 0 minus 1 over 1 minus 0, which is negative 1 over 1, which is negative 1. Okay, solve for y. Okay, so to do that, I have to multiply everything by 2. Because what happens is this goes away, and I get y is equal to 2x plus 4, because I had to multiply everything by 2. What is the total account? Oh gosh. Okay. So we have to figure out so we have 3 years, so our time is equal to 3 years. Our principal is equal to 4,000. Our interest, is that R or is that? Oh, wait, though. What is the interest? R is interest. Okay. Okay. I might have to come back to that. It's 1 plus something. R is 9%, which is 0.09. Plus, oh, all right, I got it. So this is, n is equal that it's compounded annually. Okay, let's plug in what we've got. So we have 4,000 times 1 plus 0.9 over 1 to the, let's see, 1 times 3. So let's get rid of our 1s. We have 4,000, 1 plus 0.09 cubed. You could do this on your calculator. 1.09 cubed. So 1.09 cubed, 1.09 cubed times 4,000 gives you, and make sure you round to 2 decimals because that's how many works. Okay. All right, total surface area of the triangular prism. So I know I have to take the area of the front and the back, and that is a triangle with base equal to 16 and height equal to 12. 1/2 16 times 12, which is, I'm just going to plug it into my calculator, 0.5 times 16 times 12 is 96. Okay, so I know for surface area, I'm going to need to multiply that by 2, which is, because there's a front and a back. This. Okay, so let's see. So there's the top, which is area is equal to length times width, which is 10 times 20. There's the bottom, which is length times width, which is 16 times 10. There's the back, which is 12 times 10, or 120. Now we need to add all of these up. So this is 200, 160, and 120. Boy, that is not in a line, if ever there was one. I'll see, plus 120, plus 160, plus 200. I get 672 for the whole thing. All right, we're going to cross multiply here. 2 times 18 equals W squared. So that's 36 is equal to W squared. Square root each side, we get 6 equals W. Okay, so here I'm going to add 4 to both sides first. And 3 1/3 W squared. This goes away. Equals 30. I'm going to popcorn this, so 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. W squared is equal to 30. Then I have to multiply by the reciprocal. I end up with W squared is equal to 9. Square root, square root. W is equal to 3. Okay, so here I have 6 times 8 is 48. A times A is A squared. B squared times B is B cubed. Over 12, A squared, B squared. 12 goes into 48 4 times. So I have 4 times A times A times B times B times B over A times A times B times B. So let's see what we can cancel out. These two A's can cancel out. These two B's can cancel out. My answer is 4B. Last problem. Let's see. So I have negative 3 squared plus negative 2 cubed. Negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9, plus negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4, positive 4, times negative 2 is a negative 8, which is going to give me positive 1. Let me know if you have any questions.